Hey everyone, Stephen Williams here, and I just wanted to show you all my solution to a coding challenge that I received. A potential employer sent me a Pacman clone that they had created and said to automate Pacman's behavior. So I'll leave it at that. I don't want to identify the employer or any of that because I'm still in the interview process, but here it is. So you'll see I'm going to go down and click the Run 100 Simulations button, and then Pacman will start chomping away. So I'll leave it at that without diving into too much of the details of the algorithm. I'll just say that Pacman preferentially goes towards cherries if he can see them, or ghosts if he is Super Pacman, i.e. having recently eaten cherries. If he is not Super Pacman and he cannot see any cherries, then he tries to go towards the biscuits if he can see them. And this was actually a great demonstration there. He usually doesn't clear the board. But if he cannot see any of that, then he tries to run away from ghosts that he can see if he cannot eat them. And if everything else is all equal, then he just picks a random direction to go, preferring not to backtrack. So, okay, I'll leave it at that, and I'll start some music from Arsenic1987 on YouTube called the Pacman Theme Remix, and I'll link to that in the description. Okay, that's it for that. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching to the end, I could pretty much watch this all day, but I did code the algorithm, so it's sort of my most recent little baby. But all right, and then we'll just scoot down to the bottom so you can see the running score here. Per iteration, I'm getting, it looks to be something around 1,000 to 1,200 points. If it's a good round like this one, you can see that was basically a full board clear, and then that averages out with shorter ones where 3 seconds then he gets eaten. Anyway, I think that's a pretty decent algorithm for the constraints, which were you cannot look behind you and you can only look left and right, and your vision stops at a wall. So he's not getting a bird's eye view like we are, he's getting a Pacman's eye view. All right, well, y'all have a good day. Thanks.